coordinator and banker friends and other participants. It is my privilege to be a part of this inaugural campaign. I am glad that we have used this virtual campaign today to beat this COVID problem. I am very happy to be part of this because normally this kind of a campaign is being organized by the government. I am glad bank is coming forward to organize this campaign. And second important thing is that this activity has become credit worthy. In fact, I remember when this scheme was launched some 20-25 years back. I was collector in 95-96. Those period, even if you tell that it is free of cost, they are constructing free of cost, people are not willing to take this toilet. Today, I am glad that the people see the work, so they are ready to borrow money, construct toilet. This is the kind of progress we have made. Those period, it was really, we have been learning from those period about this sanitation. So household toilet in rural areas and all were constructed not as a part of the house. It was constructed as away from the house. In fact, Tamil Nadu is again a pioneer in construction of this toilet. And our late Chief Minister MGR was there. He is the one, he brought the concept of a community toilet, particularly for the women community toilets. Large number of toilets were constructed. They were used and becomes not put to use due course of time for obvious reasons, either due to water and all kinds of problems. Later a survey was conducted why people are not using this community toilet. Then it was found that many of these community toilets were constructed away from the habitation. So it is not safe for the women to use it. Then similarly, the house also, people were reluctant to have the toilet attached to the house. In fact, some of the villages, they were totally opposing that you make a toilet as a part of the house. They would say no. Because they think that toilet being a part of the house is not auspicious one. So toilet used to be constructed little away. So when we used to go for inspection, because this is one of the important program that time also, many places we used to see these toilets were converted as a storeroom. So they will put a slab and they will put some materials, unwanted materials and all these things. Water is not there, so naturally people were not using it. Habit is not there, awareness is not there. So it was created by government. For some time they were using, and after that they just left it and use it for some alternate uses. So we have traveled so much. In 2014, the total sanitation program has transformed into Swachh Bharat mission. The importance has shifted not only from the toilet but also for the water and the hygiene. This is a very important shift. So we started, whether it is a school or in house, water is an essential part of this toilet, otherwise it cannot be used. So major campaign was going on, and I remember about 10 years back, I think 2011 census, I remember, Tamil Nadu was ranked very poorly in the sanitation parameters. Then that time I was finance secretary, then we consciously had a discussion and we said that we have to give a big push for this sanitation program. And the rural development department took a big efforts for providing household toilet, community toilets, school toilets, etc. And 2014, this Swachh Bharat mission came. It gave another push for this program. And now all the districts have been declared as ODF free. That is one big achievement. So So we ourselves, we can see, as a childhood, how was our villages. This open defecation was a common thing everywhere, in the urban area, slums, everywhere. You will find that this is a big menace. But today, I am sure that this has considerably reduced. I am not telling that it is absolutely we have wiped out, still there may be here and there some practices. I think over a period of time that also will vanish.